So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY. ATC on top, according to CICELY.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. It's 6:07 a.m. and we're gonna share Caden's back to school routine. My baby is still asleep, so I went ahead and woke up Caden.
Good morning.
He was ready, y'all. All right, so after he got in the shower, or while he was in the shower, I headed downstairs to go ahead and make breakfast. I am putting some bacon in the air fryer just to speed the process along. So I'm going to make some bacon and eggs for myself, and then Caden doesn't like eggs, so I'll just make him some bacon and then give him a Pop-Tart just so he's not going to school on an empty stomach. For all those that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is CICELY. I am a disabled mother of 2 young boys by way of sickle cell anemia, and I enjoy posting content such as this. We do shopping hauls, home decor, you name it. We are a lifestyle channel, and I wanted to encourage you that if I can get through life through hospitalizations and everything else that comes along with sickle cell and disability, you can make it with what is going on in your life. Go ahead and subscribe and join the fam. We'd love to have you. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my little chef flip. That girl thought she was doing something. Comment down below, do you like fried eggs? I feel like everybody like in my family likes scrambled eggs, but to me a fried egg is best. So once we finished breakfast, I went ahead and helped Caden prep his lunch. It's so crazy to see him getting older and becoming more independent. So I really don't have to pack his lunch anymore. He gets up at 5:45 a.m. and he'll make himself a pizza and pack his lunch box. Comment down below, do your kids take their own lunch to school or do they eat what's at school? Caden acts like the school lunch is the worst thing ever. I honestly can't remember what we had in elementary school, so I don't know. But these pizza ingredients we got from Aldi. So if you want to have that to add to your meal prep for the school year, total between the meat, the pepperoni, and then the dough, it was only $5. So it's definitely a steal. And this pizza dough comes with 3 of them. Noticed this while we were actually filming, but I noticed during edit that Caden was playing rock paper scissors with y'all. He is so silly, and he started putting the food away on his own to clean up. I'm just so proud of him and the progress that he is making. So once we got it in the oven, I think it baked probably on 350 for like 9 minutes. I wanted to make sure Caden had fresh water for school because he told me last year that they don't really get a chance to get up and get much water. So I'm just going to throw some junk food in his lunchbox. This is what he packed. I think I gave him an apple to go along with it, and then the rest of them I put in my pantry. I'm working on a pantry organization video for you guys, so that should be up shortly. Huh? No, you can't drive it. They're taking out the trash. So once we finished all looking at the trash truck, it was time to take these clips out of Caden's hair. I retwisted his hair the night before. I think I put a little bit of that in the nighttime routine, so I'll make sure to link that video in the iCards above. Then it was time to pack his backpack. Even though we went back to school shopping literally the night before, they still had everything we need except for I want to say composition notebooks. I'm still on the lookout for those. Let me know where you guys found your school supplies this year. And y'all know Daniel had to come and be a part and help. And I just realized we are coordinating. Okay, that definitely was not on purpose. I just want to stop and thank you guys so much for coming back and tuning in to my content. I need 35 more subscribers and I'll be at 2,000. So help your girl. Go ahead and like the video. I would definitely appreciate it because it helps to spread my content throughout YouTube. All right, you guys, we're almost done. We're going to head upstairs, make up the beds, and we'll be off to school.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. Though I'm broken, I'm still hoping I could be with you. I'm still breathing.
Are you excited for 7th grade? What? Caden, smile. So unfortunately, Caden ended up missing his bus on the first day of school, but we literally live like 2 minutes away. So I just got in the car and dropped him off. I was so excited, just like a mom dropping off a kid for kindergarten. You know, we had to stop and take pictures. I'm just that type of mom. But you guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for our vacation vlog, which will be out on Sunday. Bye.
Say that like that shirt, subscribe, do that for Sicily. To the grind, don't stop, recording in Sicily. ATC on top of